everybody, my name is SHAINA JAMDAGNI. I am in 6th standard. I study in Prudence School. As you all know, in this COVID-19 pandemic period, we all are at home in this lockdown. So we all have many innovative and creative ideas. Today I want to showcase one of my creative activity with you all. Today I'm going to make water candle. So let's start our activity. So the materials required for our activity are a small cup of oil, a glass full of water, an empty glass, a bit of food coloring, and some colored stones, or you can use pebbles or anything for decoration. So let's start. First I'm going to pour water in my empty glass. Now I'm going to add some stones. As you know, stones are heavy, so they sink in water. Now I'm going to add food coloring so that my water, which is transparent in color, it will turn into yellow. I'm going to use a little bit of yellow color so that my water doesn't change into fully yellow color, and so that a bit of the pebbles are also be able to seen by others. Because usually if you add a lot of coloring, the stones, their decorative part is not visible. Now I'm going to add oil. As you know, oil, it is light in weight and it is lighter than water, so it will float. Now I am going to put this jyot over here in this plastic sheet. It is very light, so it will float on the oil like this. Now I will add a few drops of oil so that I would be able to burn the jyot very easily. Wow, isn't it beautiful? Ta-da! My water candle is ready. I hope you all liked my activity and you all would try it as well. Thank you for watching.